Hi, this is for the XIAOMI 13 Pro and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the lock screen, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, we just successfully unlocked the device without any problems. Just to unlock it, you should hold for a while the scanner with the finger. You shouldn't do this so just fast, just with a simple touch on the fingerprint, and because you have no chance to unlock the device successfully, that's why just hold it for a while. And now we just unlocked our device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.